Well, here we are folks with the Netgear Wi-Fi Extender review. This review is going to be short but not so sweet because this product, at least for me, has been complete. So I'm going to come off by saying that Netgear is a great brand. They just made a mistake by making making this product actually. And if you want to know what I mean by mistakes, please watch until the end of this video. So the Netgear Wi-Fi Extender comes in three different speeds at speeds of 350, 750, and 1200 megabits per second. I've had this since Christmas 2017, and I'm going to say for the first month, 6 months, this has done great. I mean, it had incredible speeds of with my network speeds of about 80 to 90 megabits per second, but after about 6 months it lost its identity. And what do I mean by that? I mean that after an hour of use the extender would no longer be identified by any device, which would make it unusable. Now yes, I could simply just unplug it and plug it back in and it would work, but unplugging it and plugging it back in will take about 30 seconds for the for the device to turn on, and on top of that, it takes another at least a minute for devices to find the 5G version of this device, because there's a 5G and 2.4 gigahertz version that are all in the same device. So Netgear customer support, again, is complete. They make you pay for it. Paying for customer support and giving you a 3-month warranty instead of the usual 1 year, which I think is complete bullcrap. So it's hard to say good things about this device. The only good thing I can say is the changeable antennas, where you can hopefully find a better speed like I am doing now. But I'm going to end this video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it did not sway you guys in the decision to buy this product, because most people that I know who have this device stop using after 6 months because of the identification error. So, hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Andrew, and we'll see you in the next one. Again, this is Andrew, signing off.